Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Dogecoin is moving and how the Dogecoin can move in the next week. See, if you have any doubt regarding your Dogecoin, then you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. And if you wish, please watch the full video, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, I've given in the description. See, if you look at this chart, we have seen there is a sharp rise in the price of Dogecoin. Okay, I may be spelling it wrong, but understand the technicals, don't go with the spells. Okay, see, look at this pattern, continuously rise in the price of this. After that it has sharply fall. This may be the tweets, because of the tweets, but if you look at this pattern, I have already told you that at this level, okay, there can be, see, the Bitcoin has moved downside, okay, but Dogecoin has moved upside. After breaking this pattern, I have already suggested you in my previous video, you can go and check. See, this is the pattern, narrow pattern it was creating, and there is high chances that once it breaks, and see, you can see three big candles, and move from a level of 0.30 to a level of 0.44. that means a good amount of side has moved. Now after touching this level, it has come down, and now in the particular range, okay, with the support at a level of 0.29, and suppose if 0.29 is crossed downside, then we can see a level of 0.28, 0.5, and from there we can see a level of 0.278. and suppose if this level is again break down downside, then we can see a level of 0.25. so this level is already tested here. Okay, so suppose if this goes below this level 28.28, then there is chances it can go to a level of 24 also. Okay, but it has to break this level, which is a very strong support at 0.88, 0.288, and from there to a level of 0.25, and from there to a level of 0.211. okay, so this is the level, because this is the trend continuously is going from 1st of June. So till the time this trend has to change upside. Okay, but we can see there is a narrow pattern is forming. If we look at this pattern, a narrow pattern is formed in this, where it has moved upside. Now we can see there is continuously a downside pattern is formed. Till the time it didn't go upside, we are not looking for a buy position. Okay, but these are all my personal view. If you want to invest, you please consult your financial advisor before investing or trading. Okay, see, this is a strong support at this level, 0.29. so suppose if this break downside, then we'll be looking for a target of 0.277. okay, and if this break this level, then we can see a level of, okay, then we can see a level of 0.248. okay, suppose if this level breaks downside, then we'll be looking for a target of 0.22, and this level is already tested here twice mostly, so there is chances that it can come to a level of 0.16 again. okay, but suppose if it goes above a level of 0.34, then there is chances it can touch a level of 0.35, and from there it can touch a level of 0.36. and suppose if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 0.375, and then we can see a level of 0.38. okay, suppose 0.38, after 38, then we can see a good level at 0.399. suppose if this level is touched, then we can see a level of 0.412, and once 4.412 is touched, then we can see a level of 0.422. okay, so once 422 is touched, then we can see a level of 0.44. so this is the range. Suppose if this range is break upside, then we'll be looking for a target upside. okay, 0.442. this is the range. Suppose this range is break upside, then only we'll be looking for a buying side. okay, or if you are looking for a longer view, I would suggest that that if you're looking for a longer view, this pattern kind of things that create, and so go for a buying side. But these are all my personal view. Then if for a year or 2 years, then I would suggest that there is chances, because in a month it has made a high, so there is chances that it can make a new highs at different if it go for a longer view. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please